I bought this laser level from Amazon, made in China. It's a Heupar, this is the brand name. And this activated 2-year warranty now, so maybe you need to scan this QR code. This is what the responsible. Okay, I don't know France. This is the France. Made in China. And the business name in UK, in EC. Okay, manufacturer is from China. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside in the box. Okay. Yeah. There's a user manual here. Put it aside. This is a soft bag, a case. This is a laser target. Put that here. And I think this is laser level. This is a bracket. This is the magnetic. This is the thread. This is the battery. Okay. So in the box we have a soft case, a manual, our laser target, 4 battery, AA batteries, and this is the bracket, and this laser level. Okay. These are all included in the pack. This is the manual. It's in English. So, but you can, if you scan the QR code here, you can get other language. You see the safety instructions: battery safety, production overview, operation mode, self-leveling and manual mode, pulse mode, specifications, and warranty. See? Okay. This is a laser target. It can stand on the surface, and there's a magnetic. It may be mounted on the metal surface, or maybe I think you can hang it somewhere. This is the mount bracket. See, this is the magnetic, and you can install the laser level on here. See, you can this one mount on the vertical surface on the wall, and you can put it this way, this way. This is the laser level. You install the battery here, it tells the negative and the positive. Open it, and this one is a positive. After install the battery, you can turn the power on. You see the laser in here, and you can turn it off by press this button for 2 seconds. And another way to turn it on is turn this button, switch the button from the lock to unlock. See, you will open you will turn it on. But if you turn it off, you need to turn it back to lock position first. Then press this button, the power button, 2 seconds to turn it off. So remember, if this button is switched to the unlock, you wouldn't be able to turn it off. You have to turn it, switch it to the lock position. Then you can turn it off. Let's turn it on. After you turn it on, you press button again. It's only horizontal. Press again, vertical only, and there's the cross laser again.